Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is the anonymous girl with another video today on practical tips of letting go. Okay, why let go? Letting go is like super important when it comes to manifestation, but we find it hard when you want something and when somebody tells you to let go, it's going to be hard, yeah. Okay, so today I found, these are the ways I have practiced letting go, and these are practical working tips. Okay, so I've split the severity of wanting something into three modes. Okay, the high mode, the medium mode, and the low mode. When you want something, your wanting is directly proportional to the resistance and inversely proportional to the chances of it manifesting. Just for understanding sake, I'm telling all this. You don't have to get into the details of it, but just to give an idea of how this whole thing works. So how do we inverse this whole chances of manifesting? How to make it higher? The portion for that is letting go. Yeah, so in these three modes, so the high mode, medium mode, and low mode. Okay, this is like severity of attachment. High mode is you badly want something, medium mode is you want something, low mode is like you want something and you don't even care that if it's there or not. Okay, so that's how I split these three, and I'm going to give individual tips for all kinds of all the three modes. Okay, so the situation one is the high mode where you're going to get angry, so I'm going to put that to the last. Now I'll be giving you tips for situation 2. It is a medium mode where you're in the situation you just want something. Okay, wanting is common in all three modes. You want something here. So what happens when you want something? You're looking forward to it. Okay, you are attached to the outcome, or you're finding it, let's say you're finding it hard to let go. So the thing is, the truth is, you don't have to let go at all. Okay, see, it's a natural thing to want something and then waiting for it to happen. So it's totally natural. So don't fight it, just accept that you're not letting it go. Okay, just accept it, just go with the flow. Okay, so when you're attached to it, just be attached to it, just be naturally attached to it. Yeah, so don't create these doubts within yourself where you say you want this and then you have to let go, somehow you have to let go, and you try to let go and doesn't happen. No, don't do all that. That's totally unnecessary. So the tip here is, it's okay if you don't let go. See, how long can you be, see, this is a medium mode where you just want something, and in the natural course you're going to forget it at one point. You're going to forget about it. The letting go process happens naturally. Yeah, so it's okay if you have a period of attachment. It's okay if you have a period of holding on to your desire, and then eventually the letting go happens. It's a natural thing. So just be okay with attached to it, and let it happen. Just let it happen. And this mode, your manifestation will take some time to manifest. Okay, as I said, when you're more attached, the time it takes to manifest is higher, because you're not allowing it to come to you. Yeah, in the background the factory has to produce the universe factory. Okay, it has to produce your whole outcome, so that takes some time. But even if the outcome is ready, when you're resisting it, it can't come to you. So the tip for the medium mode is, just, it's okay, just let it be. It's okay if you can't let go, and just accept it, and eventually it will let go. Yeah, this is the tip for situation 2. So what happens in situation 3? It is a low attachment mode. Yeah, so here you naturally let go. Your letting go is like super easy. But what happens when when you start thinking that your manifestation is not here? The desire is small, your attachment to it is small, but once you start thinking about it, your attachment becomes higher. And then you start looking at it, you start expecting it and all that. And then you say to yourself, this is not happening, this is not happening. Okay, so in those situations when you start thinking about why your manifestation has not happened, immediately just start doing something else. Seriously, just start doing something else. you know let's say you're sitting patiently sitting, and or you're just relaxing, and suddenly you think about this, and then all these overthinking thoughts come inside your brain. Just stop it there. You notice it, just be aware of it, just stop it there and go do something else. Seriously, just do something else. Go listen to some songs, eat something. Sleeping is bad, okay? Because in sleeping you're going to think too much about it, so don't sleep. Instead go and do something else. Do some nonsense, anything, even take bath. But um, you have to be aware when you're overthinking. Okay, this is for situation 3. Low mode, and low mode, situation 3 and tip 3. Okay, so let's go to the situation 1, the high um, attachment mode. So in this situation, you badly want something, and uh, that's how much resistance you have to that, towards that desire. Okay, so when you badly want something, you want it to happen immediately, you create this enormous amount of resistance inside, and your brain, it fails to look at the situations the universe presents to us. Okay, so in that situation, again I'm telling you, do not fight the uh, reality. Yeah, if you're in the state of badly wanting it, it's okay, just be there. Yeah, just be there. And however long it takes, let's say it takes too long, let's say it takes years or months and years. So in those, like, if you find yourself that even after months you're not able to let go of it and you badly want it, so in those situations you have to take a few other actions which I'll be listing out. Okay, otherwise just be okay with badly wanting it. Yeah, the tip 1 for this situation is, eventually you'll get bored, eventually you'll get tired, eventually you'll forget sometimes. Yeah, and then the manifestation will come to you like magic, like super easy, like you didn't even wanted it. Yeah, that is tip 1. Tip 2 is, say to yourself reasons why you are okay without that desire. So now when you tell a statement where you're okay without the desire, it doesn't cancel your manifestation, it only decreases your resistance towards it. Yeah. So the tip 2 is, for this situation, just find some reason, can be the most stupidest reason. Yeah. Just find some reason and say that you're okay without your desire. The tip 3 is, just say you don't want the desire at all. Even telling that doesn't cancel your manifestation. Just say you don't want the desire at all. Sometimes when you say you don't want something, the resistance, you can feel the resistance releasing within yourself. I mean, I've experienced that. When I badly want something, I look at it like this. When I badly want something, I don't give space for that to manifest. And when I say I don't want that, that wanting area or that wanting box becomes empty, so it is easy for the manifestation to come and sit inside. Yeah. Okay, let's put it that way. So that is tip number 3. Tip number 4 is, just start desiring something else, you'll be totally fine. Okay, that something else also will happen, this also will happen. So what happens here? Yeah, tip 4, start desiring about something else. Forget about this desire, start something about desiring something else. So what happens here is, you're not telling that you don't want this, I mean, you're not canceling your manifestation. That is still going on. The factory is still manufacturing your desire. but you automatically are shifting to the lower levels of severity. You are going into the medium mode and then into the lower mode. When that is when your real manifestation will be able to come inside. Yeah. So those are my practical tips for letting go and manifesting easily. Trust me, guys, this really works, and this is how I really manifested things. And this is how I've understood letting go, because I've had this doubt, letting go was so hard. And then after I followed these kind of steps, letting go is like super easy. Like you don't even have to, you can delete that, you can erase those words letting go, because when you look at it as a step to do, it is harder. Just forget about that step, just want it and leave it. It will come to you. Like Eric Ho, he says, set it and forget it. Just like that. Just forget that step at all. Remove that step from manifestation, you'll have very less resistance towards your manifesting. Trust me, this really, really works. So that's my video for today. I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope it was insightful, and I'm ready for discussions. I'm open for your comments. Please comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. I am going to be sharing a lot of practical tips and practical real manifestation stories. So meet you all in the next video. Thank you. Stay tuned. Bye bye.